Hello students, welcome back to the class on marketing management. In my previous presentation, I gave you a brief concept about product strategy. Here, I shall be explaining in detail about the product strategy and what are the different components. As you can see from this particular figure, that when I talk of product strategy, there are 5 areas: product vision, why you are building this exact product, means what is the purpose of making the product, what is the vision of the product. Vision means long-term mission. Customer persona, who is your ideal customer. When the company manufactures the product, it must understand for whom the company is manufacturing this particular product. Then product positioning, how does your product fit in the market. Now the next important criteria is in product strategy is how to position this product in the minds of the targeted customers. We had discussed in the previous presentations. I had discussed in my previous presentation about product positioning, means how we position the product in the minds of the target customers, and therefore in product strategy also product positioning plays a very important role. Then product differentiation, how is your product better from your competition or competitor. Now what is unique in this particular product that the company is making. And the last is goals and initiative. What do you want to achieve and how? So now from company's point of view, what does the company wants to achieve by making this product? So by understanding these 5 key steps, a product strategy can be developed. Right? The vision of the product, what is the purpose of making the product, right? For whom I am making the product, how will I as a marketer position this product in the minds of my target customers, right? What is unique in my product that others don't have, or how will my product stand better in this competition, and what does I want to achieve, what will be my revenue or what will be my customer loyalty if I make this product. So these are some of the things that a marketing manager takes into account. As you can see, the components of product strategy, product management expert Roman Pilcher suggests product strategy should contain 3 key elements: the market for the product and the specific needs it will address. Point number 2, the product's key differentiators or unique selling propositions. And number 3, the company's business goal for the product. Now, the market for the product and the specific needs that it will address. Right? Who is my target customers and what are the needs, what type of needs will be satisfied if I launch this product in the market. Now, my unique selling proposition. Now, what is the unique selling proposition of this product? What is the USP of the product? Why will people buy this particular product? And the company's goal for the product. The company's goal for the product means what the company want to achieve by making this product. So, these are some of the components of product strategy that are provided by Richard Whistler. Now, if you again look into this particular slide, you will find that there are 5 steps to create product strategy. Talk to your prospects. Prospect means if I am a marketer or company, I will talk to my prospective customers about their needs, expectations from the particular product. Then develop a high level vision. The company then develops a vision for making the product based on the observations and feedback that it receives from the target customers. Now define the product's goals. Now what type of products goals, what the company is likely to achieve after making this product. And use those goals to guide the roadmap. Now there has to be a clear-cut roadmap from the company's point of view, and the company must clearly use those goals to guide the particular progress of the product. And continuously review the product vision and set. Reviewing and monitoring are part of the product strategy, and the marketer and the company must continuously review the product and understand whether the product is doing well in the market or not. Thank you very much.